Hi friends, welcome back to the PragueAntiguide channel. Today we've got some exciting and useful information for you. We're going to talk about Strahov Monastery, one of Prague's most beautiful and unique places that everyone should visit. Let's dive in. Strahov Monastery is one of the most renowned historical and cultural landmarks in the Czech Republic, attracting visitors from around the world. Founded in 1143, its architecture combines Romanesque, Gothic, and Baroque elements, making it a true magnet for history and culture enthusiasts. But it's not just the monastery building that draws interest. This is also home to one of Europe's oldest libraries, the Strahov Library, housing a unique collection of ancient manuscripts and books. Visitors are also captivated by the stunning panoramic view of Prague from the nearby observation deck. These vistas are truly breathtaking, and many come here specifically for the photographs and unforgettable experiences. During peak season, especially spring and summer, the area sees hundreds of visitors daily. On weekends, it becomes particularly lively. People come not only for the monastery itself, but also to enjoy leisurely walks through the surroundings, known for their charming atmosphere and cozy cafes. The age range of tourists here varies greatly, from young people eager to capture beautiful photos for social media to older couples who appreciate the cultural heritage and historical significance. Many families with children visit as well, with parents bringing their kids to introduce them to historical landmarks. When it comes to nationalities, Europeans from Germany, Poland, France, and the United Kingdom are especially common. The area is also favored by tourists from Asia, China, Japan, and South Korea, along with travelers from the United States and Canada. This diversity reflects Prague's status as one of Europe's top destinations, with Strahov Monastery high on the must-see list. To experience the essence of this landmark, you don't need a complicated itinerary or guided tours in advance. A simple tram ride from the city center and a walk among the monastery buildings allows you to immerse yourself in the atmosphere, enjoy the architecture, and appreciate the natural surroundings. Many tourists, after such a stroll, decide whether to explore the interior or whether the external experience is enough. This makes the area appealing even for those with limited time. The accessibility of this location is a major advantage. It's well connected to the center, and its proximity to other key attractions makes it convenient even on a short trip. Many visitors choose this location not only for its historical and cultural value, but also for its tranquil atmosphere. Unlike Prague's busier spots like Charles Bridge or Old Town Square, the surroundings here are more relaxed, appreciated by those seeking peace and natural beauty. In conclusion, Strahov Monastery is a place that blends rich history, architectural beauty, unique cultural landmarks, and stunning views. Regardless of age or nationality, everyone finds something here. Whether it's knowledge, inspiration, or simply the chance to savor the moment in one of Prague's most picturesque corners.